Hello, welcome back to the garage. I'm Michael, and today I am going to be replacing the headlight bulbs with some LED light bulbs. I've bought some torch beams. These are the 905, the 9005, 9006. I actually bought these for the Suburban, but since COVID I haven't been driving the Suburban that much. And we've been driving this quite a bit. And we are in the middle of winter here in Alaska. Right now it's 19 degrees outside, so let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and first do a comparison test, so I will shut the garage door, turn the headlights on, and record that, and so that way I can do a side-by-side when I'm done. Alright, so I've never been into this before. No, actually, let's talk about the package first. I did open it up already. I read the instructions. There are some things in here that the instructions doesn't talk about. But they keep on talking about their YouTube channel. And I went to their YouTube channel and there's one video from 2 years ago. But they got some zip ties and these, looks like two-sided foam tape. Also in here we've got the four LED lights, and they also supply some white gloves. So it almost looks like I can, yeah. Maybe the headlight just pulls out like this. Okay. Alright, so these clips just pull up. One here. And one over here. So you pull those clips up and the whole headlight will come out. Then you'll just have to disconnect the one plug here. There's two light bulbs over here. You'll have to do a quarter turn to get them on out. To get these out, it was just a simple twist, like a quarter turn on both of them. This plug that's back here, I'm going to take it, pry it out a little bit, and it should come right on off. Those caps came off. See if I can tell how tell the difference between which is what. Is there a marking? Okay, we're right here. Okay. 9006, and this one over here must be 9005. Okay, so they're well marked. Just give it a little quarter turn, not even a quarter turn, more like a eighth of a turn, and pull it out. The reason for the gloves is the oil from your skin will make the bulb wear out quicker. Oh. Okay, great. That was great. Okay, well, which one is this? This is the 6. So let's go ahead and grab the 6 out of here. We'll put the 6 back in here. Okay, and it goes in a certain way. These two bottom tabs are bigger than the top one. Just got to match it up. Okay, so these really can only go in one way. So I've got this one in. And I'm going to take this one out. This should be the 05. Double check, there it is. Okay, let's see if I can take this tab off without causing too much damage. So I know how brittle they are now. Okay, there we go. Okay, 9,005. Double check, yep, 9,005. Make sure the tabs are all right, lined up correctly. Give it a little turn. It looks like they have little fans on the end of them. Okay. Give it a little turn. Okay, lock it in place. There we go. That one wasn't all the way in. That one is now. All right, so plug you in. And capped up there. Since I do feel like I broke that right there, I'm going to go ahead and wrap some electrical tape on it just to make sure this thing doesn't come apart. Better to be safe than sorry, so I'm going to go dig up some electrical tape. Mainly using it to keep the clip down and make sure it doesn't come apart. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and work this down in here also. Put the caps back on. Okay, put that back in. Bottom, let's see. All right, that one's in. Okay, there's two clips down there. Feels like it's pretty darn secure. They even look different from the front, so you can definitely tell the difference between the LED on this side compared to the halogen on this side. Okay, replacing the headlights on this 2006 Envoy was quite simple. I do question the quality of the headlight unit. I did break another one of those little clips on the other side, so I used some more electrical tape on that. Maybe cursing my future self. When we bought this thing a year ago, these headlights seemed pretty new. They were out of adjustment when we bought it from the dealership, and they didn't have any pitting, so I was assuming that they had been replaced. As you can see, they are much brighter though. So tonight I'm driving to Anchorage to pick up my son from the airport, and I'll go ahead and insert a clip on the during my travels just to kind of see how it brightens up the road. Oh, I also want to mention that I bought these off of Amazon. So down below you'll find a link to my recommended tools and parts. It cost me roughly, I think it was $69. Like I said, I originally bought them to put in the Suburban, but like I said, we're not driving the Suburban that much right now because of COVID. I'm not driving it back and forth to work. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them down below. And I want to thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Wow, what a difference. It's kind of hard to see through the lens here, but it is so much brighter.